Well, the bad news is the weekend is over. We're back at the beginning of another week. The good news is it's Mamma Mia Monday one more time.
Yes, sirree. Chef Joe Bellia is joining us again in the DelmarvaLife kitchen with another quality Italian recipe. Joe, good to see you.
Good to see you guys.
My favorite part of Monday, may I say.
They seem to come faster every week, don't they?
They do. So what are we making today?
Today we're making broccoli rabe with sausage and orchetti pasta.
Wait, I'm sorry, broccoli?
Broccoli rabe. So rapini, probably still not ringing any bells. Broccoli rabe you can buy at the grocery store. Comes like this. It looks like broccoli, but it's actually in the turnip family, the mustard green family, so it's a green. But the florets are like broccoli.
Oh my goodness.
So what you want to do with this, this is a Sicilian, authentic Sicilian process here, but it's also in Asian food as well.
Okay.
You want to blanch it. You want to put it in your boiling water, and then blanch it in boiling water for about 3 or 4 minutes. It actually reduces a lot.
So something like this reduces down to something like that?
Well, you cut off the stems. You don't want to use the stems.
Yeah.
It could be bitter sometimes, so what you want to do is you want to boil it and then put it in an ice bath real quick.
Oh, okay.
To take out some of the bitterness.
Broccoli rabe.
So you did all of that for us.
I did that for you, yep.
Thank
for
you.
us. So what we're going to do is we're going to start a little bit of olive oil, as we always do.
I had to ask you about this pan, round bottom, and you said it's been used a lot.
It's seen a lot of action, maybe.
It's gently loved.
But
we could come up with some games for that.
That's right. So we're gonna put a little bit, I like to say a little bit of garlic.
Just a little teeny
we'll
bit.
Put actually a little bit more this time because this absorbs a lot of it. So what I've done here is I've minced some garlic and I've also crushed some garlic just to give it a little bit of body and absorption.
Okay.
And we're gonna put a little bit of white wine, red wine. We're gonna brown your garlic first, and then we're gonna put a little bit of Italian sausage. Now what
Just
I did
a pinch.
this is our sausage that we sell.
Yes.
But I took it out of the casing here.
Oh, okay.
So we're just
So
gonna
you
crumble
can
that up.
Yeah.
We'll crumble that up in the pan. That's floating all over the oven.
Some on this side to even it out.
There we go.
I think this is the favorite pan you've ever brought.
I think it is.
That's my favorite.
I'll make sure I put this one on the side next time.
No, bring it.
All right, so then we'll add a little bit of onion that I've sauteed a little bit. Just gonna mix that up. I think I brought my tongs, you remember?
Yep, got tongs.
Gotta click them, right? That's right. And at least if you don't mind cutting up that mushroom a little bit more.
Yeah, absolutely.
We can. I brought my really big cutting board. I'm sorry about that.
And I think
It matches the knife.
I think this knife is really
It matches the knife well,
been
doesn't
used
it?
a couple of times before.
So Jimmy, this is something you've never seen before, right? Most people.
Yeah.
And the funny thing is, but they sell this right in grocery stores in town.
Okay.
And I see it. It's always got full because nobody knows what it is. But
Well, I've never seen it. Do you have this at
I do.
Roma?
When it's in season, and it is now, we do have it.
I've never seen anybody else offer it either. So yeah.
It's probably been there, but you just never noticed
It's
it.
next to all the other greens you walk by, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put them right in.
There we go.
My beautiful pan here.
There you
we
go.
So we're just gonna, about 2-3 minutes, we'll go ahead and mix this up. And the pasta we're gonna use today is called orchetti. It translates to little ears.
Little ears.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess it does look
Could
like
see
little
why.
ears.
Yeah.
And I think the reason why this is traditional with this dish is because of the roundness of the pasta. This is a very rough dish. I'm going to put our broccoli rabe in here too.
Oh, okay.
And if you put pasta with ends on it, they usually break. So I think that's why they went for the round pasta. So
I
as
feel
you
like
see,
every time you come, we learn
something.
new.
Well, I always learn something too on here, so it's a good trade-off. There we go. Put a little bit more oil.
A little
bit more wine. Let this cook for a minute. A little red pepper for a little.
Oh, just a little red pepper.
Just a little bit.
A little
Like I
more is
said,
fine.
this could be a little bit bitter.
Yeah. Well,
So
probably need more of that then.
yeah, and put a little bit of fresh cheese in there.
Oh.
How's that?
That's
And the lemon, just like I
perfect.
said, take away the bitterness, a little bit of tart. Thank you, sir.
Sure you don't want some more of that pepper there?
No, I think we're good.
Okay.
Maybe a little salt and pepper.
Just checking.
Let's do a little salt and pepper.
Okay. So does this have to saute a little bit?
It does have to saute a little bit.
Okay,
yeah.
I think that now would be a great time to take a little break.
Sure.
Let it saute, and then when we come back, we are going to finish with our little ears pasta. Another Mamma Mia Monday on DelmarvaLife. Stick around, we'll be right back. We've let our sausage saute during the break, along with our broccoli rabe, and You wouldn't believe the smells we have here in the DelmarvaLife kitchen. That is because it is Mamma Mia Monday.
Yes, it is. How's it looking, Jimmy?
Joe, it looks like it needs to come out of the pan and go on the plate on top of some pasta.
Definitely needs to come out of this pan.
That's just what I'm thinking there.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of pasta in the pan.
Oh, in the pan. Okay.
Yeah, why not? Just to give it a little, like I said, I pre-cooked this pasta so I didn't really cool it off. It's still warm.
Right.
But I did cook the broccoli rabe in the pasta water after I drained it. So you use that starchy water.
Oh, that's a good idea.
So yeah, so you can see the broccoli rabe is reduced a lot.
Yeah.
Even more so than before.
Yes. Just like you would cook spinach. I don't know if anybody's ever cooked a whole bag of spinach that comes out to
one
about
serving.
That's right. All right, here we go. You want to have that nice.
Wouldn't happen to
Juice
have a
on
fork
top.
on you, would you, Lisa?
A fork?
A fork would happen to have one?
Spoon.
I think I might have one.
Oh no. I'm gonna start bringing my own.
No, we have lots of forks, Jimmy.
We're gonna put a little bit of fresh cheese on top,
Oh, yeah.
just to garnish.
My goodness.
Take this off the heat so you guys
Okay.
can.
You know, the pan he has here.
It's interesting, isn't it? You know, on my stove at the restaurant, we have the griddle, the gas.
Right.
So I don't have this issue. Otherwise I probably
Yeah.
I probably would have thrown it across the room by now.
But you were saying that that was probably from your dad's
That's
restaurant.
probably, I have a lot of pans that we had from my father's restaurant from the 80s, 70s.
Wow.
And yeah. So
Yeah, you got to bring that back from now on.
there we go.
Absolutely. Okay.
So give this a try. So let me know what you think.
I'll get a little pasta, a little bit
I'll
of
have this on
broccoli
special
rabe.
this week at the restaurant.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Yeah, we're gonna do
Oh,
this. We're gonna do this on special, I think. And then we have a Sunday supper coming up on the 22nd of June. If you want to sign up for that, it's a 5-course dinner. We have a few seats open. It's like you're going to a wedding. You sit in family style, and we bring out 5 courses, 6 courses actually.
You meet some new friends.
Meet some new friends. You know, it's something to do on a Sunday.
So I got to ask you, Father's Day is this week.
Father's Day is this week.
You're not going to have to cook, are you?
I'm not. I'm actually, we are closed on Father's Day. Sundays we're usually closed, and decided to stay that way so I can enjoy my Father's
Well,
Day.
good
with
for
my
you.
daughters and
Yeah,
stuff.
you deserve it.
So yes, I'm looking forward to that.
Happy early Father's Day.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
This is really good.
You mentioned bitter. I find absolutely
So-
no bitter in there.
By boiling it, blanching it, and then sautéing it, we'll take the bitterness out of it.
It is really good.
You know what it does have? It has a little kick, so I'm glad you didn't put any more of that.
That little red pepper?
Red pepper. That
Doesn't take
little bit
much.
of red pepper.
You saw, I didn't put that much.
No, you didn't.
It goes a long way.
Why don't you let me take care of the red pepper
Sure.
from now on?
Oh, you like spicy? All right,
Just
I'll remember that.
And I don't know why. Personally, this one I would love to have some spicy on it. But that's just me. What do I know? I don't know anything. Ask Lisa. She'll tell you. He doesn't know anything.
I do know that it just has the perfect amount of kick for me.
Okay, great.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not a big spicy food person like you are, but I do like to have that little bit of kick there.
I put that a little extra today. At the restaurant, we probably won't put the pepper, but if you ask
Nice.
for it, we'll do it.
Like it. Perfect.
Yeah,
Wonderful.
it's perfect. Oh my goodness, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I love Mamma Mia Mondays.
And again, happy early Father's Day.
Appreciate it. We'll see you next Monday.
All right.
Yep.
Stick around. DelmarvaLife. We'll be right back.